थोड़ा जोर से ताली बजाइए, हमने स्नैक्स अच्छा है।
वहाँ पे अंकित उसको ऊपर रखवा दो ऊपर।
Now I will take very little time. I know the kids have done the maximum preparation. So this event is solely on the kids this time. So my dear resident children, senior citizens and family of Godrej 24, as we gather on the eve of our 80th Independence Day, let us pause and remember the countless freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives, their families and their dreams so that we could live in free India. We did not inherit freedom, we inherited the responsibility to preserve and strengthen it. To our children, I will make a very humble request, heartfelt request to all the parents. Raise them not merely to become a successful, individuals, but to become responsible citizens of India. Give them a values of honesty, compassion, discipline, courage, and respect our senior citizen. Now I will just teach them, because we are living on the diverse world of India, is such a beautiful country. Teach them a diversity so that they should not be left alone. Again I will tell, you make your kid individually grow is not having any value. You make them grow with a community. That will further enhance and strengthen the India. Let our homes be places where children learn to respect everybody, help those around them, protect our environment, and what can it do for a country. To our senior citizens, we are the bridge for the young generation and to teach them a good path towards it. And to young generation, dream big. Dream big for as a community, as a nation. Think what you can do for your country, not for your kid, not for yourself, but for country as a whole. A great nation is not built only by great leaders. It is built by our citizens in daily. A nation building is daily. It is not a year. Nation building takes a lot of effort. Let us create an atmosphere of national pride without any prejudice, diversity, without division and progress, so that India should shine top of the world as it is growing. It is a fourth economy. It can become, we can hope, we can lead everybody, and India can go top. This young kids and generation. So all efforts I will give to younger kids who leaded this time to celebrate our 80th Independence Day. That's all. Jai